So you are seeing Saving Newport with mostly the For Fun clan and one member of NWS, our friend Hurricane Lewis. We have Unethia, Sleepy, CDNA, Deacon, Hurricane as I mentioned, and Travel Lover. Saving Newport is probably the most challenging of the operations.
The enemies advance until the main fleet forces arrive. This is Base Commander. Good luck. Try not to lose a single ship and save our base structures from destruction. Reconnaissance data suggests the principal attack will be launched in 10 minutes. If the outer radius of defense is broken, the attack will begin earlier.
Our job is to keep the enemy ships out of this green circle that is the Bay of Newport. We start out with these 4 cruisers. We have to take them out as quickly as possible. They are all light cruisers, but they can cause a lot of damage if you don't take them down quickly and they get too close.
This is Base Commander. Support ship approaching the second battery line.
I am using the Leander here, which is a British light cruiser. Shoots AP only. Has torps, but not really good range on the torps. But it has smoke and a good heal, which helps a lot in these operations. If a ship on our team gets a little too damaged, we can go back to the back of our bay and heal up. Then we're out of position to be able to help out with damaging the enemy ships. So, to the best of our ability, we're going to stay in the battle right up here on the front line. It's a bit tricky to get this far outside the green circle, because after we take care of these cruisers, there's going to be another group of enemies coming, and they're much more dangerous. They're higher level bots.
Attention. Destroy all enemy forces
More
before
capable
the principal
ships.
attack is launched, and secure the carrier's retreat to the base. Smokescreen set.
I made a classic mistake in the Leander and
Support ship reach battery 1.
forgot my smoke is actually not going to dispense as long as I feel like it will when I drive a US cruiser or DD. And so I drove right out of my smoke. I'm very lucky that I'm not getting fired upon right now, but unfortunately it does look like they're focusing a little bit on Deacon up here in the Nuremberg.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
There, I've gotten back into my smoke, so at least I can fire freely without taking any damage. Oh, I overshot that. Deacon took care of him. Single fire torps that you get out of the British ship line are pretty fun. You can send them down a very narrow gap. People that work with these British ships a lot. Can thread a needle. And I'll be darned. I missed with all my torps on that battleship. Hopefully this set does better.
Reconnaissance reporting. Third attack is about to be launched.
Might hit one. Oh, nope. That's a smart bot. He dodged it. We'll see if Lewis is better with his Perth torps than I did with mine. Okay, we held off that second stage attack. Took down Deacon, unfortunately, but
Smoke generator activated.
we're all in position to be able to take care of this crowd now before they can get into the bay. This one's the essential one to hold off if you want to pull 5 stars.
Screen set.
Take care of the DDs first and then go after their cruisers.
We destroyed their destroyer.
Looking for the other DD, but he's a bit on the other side of the island where I can't get to him very well. Sharing my smoke with Perth.
This is Base Commander. All batteries restored successfully. Support ship returning to base.
Sending those torps out there at whoever might run into them.
We destroyed an enemy cruiser.
Okay, I think we're gonna do this one. Looking good. There'll be one more fleet coming at us, including a couple of battleships that we're going to have to deal with.
Reporting. Carrier successfully entered the combat zone. Torpedoes astern.
Okay, now we have to go
Torpedoes astern.
protect that Baltimore. It will be focused by a couple of cruisers. Oh, darn. Lewis got smacked with a couple of those torps.
Reporting. Enemy cruisers entered the combat zone. They're chasing our aircraft carrier.
Good news is he has a heal also. Europa and the Nuremberg are both difficult cruisers. They have good fire chances, and they have torps. Our Baltimore, which is a bought ship, but it's still part of our duty is to protect him and give him a chance to get back into the bay. I don't have a very good angle here with AP only. It's difficult. It'd be nice to have HE at a time like this. Ironic that the British cruisers have AP only when their battleships are so well known for being HE spammers. Okay, now we can focus on the main fleet. Our task at this point is to keep at least 3 of us alive and take out the Izumo, which is the large battleship that is accompanied by a couple of other smaller battleships and a cruiser.
This is Base Commander. Aircraft carrier Lexington reached the base.
In an older version of the Ops, this was an aircraft carrier Lexington that instead of the Baltimore, they just had to change the narration. Have a very good angle on that Myoko. Maybe this will do a little better. Not much.
Generator activated. Enemy battleship detected. Fire! Smokescreen set.
We destroyed their destroyer.
Okay, there's that Izumo. Have to take that one down to get 5 stars. I think he's out of range of my torps. I think I only have 8K torps. But light cruiser AP shells aren't going to take him down. He's going to need a battleship or he's going to need torps. We'll let our other guys take care of him while I work on this smaller Koenig on this side. I've not been very lucky with my torps in this ship tonight. Looks like I might be doing better this time. There.
The enemy battleship destroyed.
That works. Okay, it looks like we are going to take all 5 stars this time.
Smoke generator activated.
Yes.
Attention.
Nice job, Sleepy.
Mission complete.